Hello traders, welcome to another video in this channel. In this video, I am going to explain how I took trades today and what was the logic behind these trades and how I ended my trading day. So let's understand first thing. So I am a Bank Nifty trader. Most of the trades will be in Bank Nifty. So I traded in Bank Nifty today also. In the opening, Bank Nifty made a gap up opening. After that, price made a sharp downfall momentum. But this momentum was very quick, so we couldn't able to capture that in 1 minute only. Big candle was formed, so we can't trade that momentum because stop loss will be bigger and we can't take any positions there because our entry price will be bigger and stop loss will be bigger, risk reward will be bigger. So that is the reason why I didn't took any entries there. After that, I placed one order around 9:55. So at that time Zerodha had problem, so there was a glitch today in Zerodha, so we couldn't able to see our positions or couldn't able to see our order book also. So that is the reason why I took this trade, but after that I didn't see my position or in order book, so I exited this here. So at that time it was not selling, that means it was not executed at that time, so I was clicking multiple times. At that time what happened, one option selling order also placed. After that I exited very quickly here. So almost like 12 to 1 o'clock, I think till that time Zerodha had some issues. After that Zerodha started working well, and around 13:49, this was my first trade today. So at 13:49 I took a trade here. The logic behind this trade is very simple. If you observe the Bank Nifty chart here, Bank Nifty made a strong bearish candle here. After that price made a reversal here and it created a swing here. It broken the first candle low after creating a strong swing here. After that price made a reversal by taking support from the previous day high. After that price made a upward direction momentum, and here I placed my first PE order. The logic behind this trade was very simple. Bank Nifty was making a downside direction momentum and Bank Nifty made a swing also here. So now what happened, price made a reversal and price should continue in this direction if the selling is fast. So I was expecting some traps in between. So here I got one trap here. So what was the trap here? In 5 minutes time frame, if you observe the chart, this is the same time when I took the entry. There was a breakout here. After that breakout candle low was broken. So this is where I placed my first order at 105 quantities. Then I added 405 quantities to make this has 510 quantities. So I was holding this position at an average of 350 or something like that. Then I exited this trade at 316 with a stop loss of around 3840 point something stop loss. So at that time I had a plan. Actually I had a plan here only. If Bank Nifty does not move down, if in case my stop loss triggers, I will be taking my position if in case this swing breaks. So this is where I planned my second trade with the 40 point stop loss. So 40 point stop loss around 150 point was my target, because if price comes down then it will reach the today's low. So this was the plan with 1:3 trade, but it went wrong. So that means price made a upward direction momentum. So in that time I had another plan. I will enter my trade here if price breaks the last swing, because what happens, all the people who sold their positions will keep their stop loss here. So there will be multiple stop losses. So if this level breaks, price will make a upward direction momentum, right? So that is why I was waiting for that position. So when price made a breakout, I took my second entry around 215. 215 was my entry. So this was the breakout candle. I entered with just 105 quantities because I was waiting for some reversal so that I can get some small SL and I can enter with a big quantities. That was the reason I entered with 105 quantities, but price didn't made any reversals here. Price made a sharp upward direction momentum here. So after that I took another trade here for a positional based selling. So directional based selling, I sold 43,800 P at the rate of 304. So I holded that position till the end. So you can see here, this is my selling position 217, 43,800 P, and I sold that position here 43,800 P at around 263. I got a decay of around 40 points or something like that. I took that trade for the positional basis, but after that what happened, price made a upward direction momentum in Bank Nifty, but Bank Nifty faced resistance from the current day high. So at that time I exited the trade, because if in case Bank Nifty holds here and makes a gap down open, then it will be a problem, because I had only 40 points decay in my hand. So if it was little bit more, I could have holded that position for the next day, right? So I exited that trade there. So I took 105 quantities here and I exited this trade almost like 224 at around 381, almost like 30 point something profit. I couldn't able to add the position, so that is the reason why I exited the position with trailing. After that I was waiting at around 259. I got another opportunity in Bank Nifty. If you observe the Bank Nifty chart here, Bank Nifty made a upward direction momentum and made a downward direction momentum, again made a upward direction momentum and gave a breakout here. So here what happens, most of the retail traders thinks that this is a selling pressure or selling momentum, so they take the position in PE side. So this is the institutional trap for the retail trader. So what happened here? You can see here price gave a breakout here, but the breakout candle is this one. So until and unless price comes below this breakout candle low, we can't take any selling position here. So after that, price made a downward direction momentum in 5 minutes. Once price broken this red candle high, so this is a trap for retail traders. So I took an entry here with 510 quantities. Almost like 370 was my entry. After that, price made a upward direction momentum here, but premiums were moving very slowly. So if you observe here, I almost took my entry at 372. After that, price made a momentum of 28 points and almost like 39-40 points momentum in premium. Premiums were moving very slowly. Price was moving very fast in the spot, but premiums were very slow. And I holded this position almost like 323. Till that time also I holded that position. Once I got an exit, after that price made a upward direction momentum. So that means price made a upward direction momentum in our favor, but we didn't got the profit here. But we got a less profit here. I took an entry at 370 and exited the trade at 390, almost like 20 points SL. So here you can see this is my position today. I made a loss of like almost like 2,700 rupees today. So which is comparatively less loss, because by the end of the day, whatever the losses I made here, that has been covered here. So I had a plan and I had a risk reward plan. So that is the reason why my losses are very, very less. So I had a good risk reward plan and stop loss was also very, very less. So comparatively, whatever the losses I made in the morning was covered, almost covered in the afternoon session. Actually, I was in a profit of 3,000, 4,000, something like that, but I was waiting for some quick momentum in the end. So that didn't happen. So that is the reason why I made some losses today. So this is how my day went today. How was your day? How was your day went, and what was your losses or profit or something like that? You can comment in comment box. So we will meet in the next video. Thank you, traders. Have a good day. Have a profitable week ahead.